Welcome back students. We have a so beautiful image. Now guys, I could make it extra beautiful with the application of these mask option. For that purpose guys, I could try these shadow mask options which we could watch on the screen. These different kinds of shadows we could try on it. I have to choose first of all that one shadow. Now guys, on the next tile I would apply the triple mask options here guys. I would try these prism mask options, and here we see that how changes we could bring in our image, like here that kinds of changes we could put in it.